Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Flutter and a new or existing project. Once ready, add Get to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Replace Material app with getMaterial app so routing and dependency injection work. Create a controller extending Getx controller and declare observable state with Rx types, for example var count equals 0. Obs, then register it with get. Put my controller, where the widget tree begins. This gives you an immediately available lifecycle managed controller. Make sure to import package get/get. Dart to access all a next wire state to UI. Wrap reactive reads in obx or use. Value inside builders so widgets update automatically. Once done, organize by creating bindings classes that call get. Lazy put or get. Put for each route to decouple creation from UI. For navigation, call get. 2 for push get. Off-named, to replace or get. To named, with parameters, this removes context usage and simplifies deep linking. Also make controllers single responsibility and prefer update. Only when mixing non-Rx fields to avoid unnecessary. To finish, ensure controllers are registered where needed. Use bindings for routes and get. Put an init for global instances so memory is managed by Getx controller lifecycle. Use get. Delete for manual cleanup if you created transient controllers. Test with hot reload and interact with the UI to confirm Rx updates fire as expected. If things go wrong, check that you truly used getMaterial app, the controller was registered before use, and imports reference package get/get. Dart, these 3 issues solve most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.